Good morning or magandang araw sa lahat. Good day. And the Limbas Mandaragit Eagles Club is again here with you to discuss some important laws which creates some divisions among homeowners because of lack of knowledge or perhaps misunderstanding about the law. So our topic is that who owns the roads in subdivision projects? We can hear officers of homeowners associations claiming that the roads in the subdivision is owned by the subdivision. Sasabihin nila, tayo ang may-ari, yung Homeowners Association. Because of the belief that the roads belong to the Homeowners Association, some associations or officers imposes unreasonable rules and regulation. This issue sometimes creates misunderstanding in the community, which even lead to the filing of cases, either criminal, civil, or administrative. The filing of these cases is of course unnecessary. It should be avoided. It will just create animosity among neighbors. Now, who really owns the roads in a subdivision? Sino talagang may-ari? Ayon sa batas, yung Presidential Decree 957, sabi dito, the law mandates that the owner or developer of a subdivision shall provide roads, alleys, and sidewalks. The law also states that upon completion of the project, meaning the subdivision project, the roads, alleys, sidewalks, and including playgrounds or open spaces shall be donated by the owner or developer of the subdivision to the city or municipality where the project is situated, and that it shall be mandatory for the local government unit concerned to accept the donation. Now, how about parks and playgrounds in a subdivision? Now, insofar as the parks and the playgrounds of a subdivision, it can be donated to the Homeowners Association. Okay, pwede naman. It can be donated to the Homeowners Association by the owner or the developer of the project. But the donation to the homeowners is not that easy because it should be with the consent of the city or municipality. But once donated to the municipality or city or to the homeowners association, the parks, the playgrounds cannot be converted to any other use. The law says that no portion of the park shall be converted to any other purpose or purposes. In other words, it should remain as a park, it should remain as a playground. Well, in a case, the Supreme Court stressed that there is no question about the public nature and the use of sidewalks in a subdivision. There is no issue, the Supreme Court said, on the subdivision's roads ownership. Who owns it? Well, the Supreme Court said, of course, citing PD 957 as amended, it belongs to the city or municipal government after its donation by the owner or developer of the subdivision. The law clearly state, or the law explicitly state, that roads, alleys, and sidewalks in subdivisions are for public use. And since it is for public use, these roads, etc., are beyond the commerce of men. So, who is responsible for the maintenance of the open spaces? sidewalks or roads of a subdivision. Pinag-aawayan minsan ito. Minsan ito pa yung dahilan na naniningil itong subdivision sa mga commuters paggamit ng road. Bakit? Kasi kami ang magmi-maintain yan. Gagastos kami sa maintenance ng road. No, who is responsible for the maintenance of the open spaces, sidewalks, or roads of a subdivision? It is the owner or the developer of the subdivision who has the responsibility for the maintenance, for the repair, and kung gusto nila, improvement of the road lots and all open spaces of the subdivision. That responsibility is with the developer or owner of the subdivision before or prior to their donation to the concerned local government unit. Right? So, the owner or developer of the subdivision shall be deemed relieved of the responsibility of maintaining the road lots and open spaces only upon securing a certificate of completion of the project and, of course, executing a deed of donation of these roads and open spaces to the local government unit. So, habang hindi pa dinodonate ng owner or developer, sila ang magme-maintain ng roads and open spaces. Bakit? Kasi silang may-ari. It is not the Homeowners Association. It is not the local government unit concerned. Kasi sila pa ang may-ari. Kaya lang, pag na-donate na sa local government, it is the city or municipality who has the responsibility of maintaining or improving the roads and open spaces. Well, perhaps you have heard or you have personally experienced Homeowners Association collecting fees, nangungulikta ng bayad on the use of subdivision roads. Ang claim allegedly for its maintenance. Do not be misled. Do not be misled. The Homeowners Association, they are not responsible for the maintenance of the road. Again, do not be misled. Because prior to the donation of the roads, the alleys, and sidewalks, including the open spaces, it is the owner or developer who should maintain the said properties, not the Homeowners Association, not the local government unit. But of course, after complying with the requirements of the law, that is after the donation of the roads, alleys, and sidewalks, and all open spaces, then it is the local government who is now the owner. It is the LGU, the local government concerned, who should maintain the said properties. It is not the Homeowners Association that is tasked to maintain the roads, alleys, and subdivision. Kaya lang, iba't mangungulikta para daw sa maintenance ng kalsada, samantala ang nagmi-maintain yan, kung hindi man yung developer or owner ng subdivision, it should be the city government or the municipal government after donating the property to the local government unit concerned. But of course naman, yung mga playgrounds, if it is donated to the Homeowners Association with the consent of the local government unit, this time, yung mga facilities na yan, yung playgrounds and others, if donated already to the Homeowners Association, it is the Homeowners Association that is tasked to maintain that property, to improve that property. So there you are. It pays to know your law. And the Limbas Mandaragit Eagles Club is here with you to share our knowledge of the law. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Again, I repeat, ito'y pampublikong serbisyo ng the Limbas Mandaragit Eagles Club. Maraming salamat.